Hello and welcome. This is going to be a really short video for total newbies here. Oops, went away. As you could see for a moment there, I'm on Blender 4.32, which is current at the time I'm filming this video. And one thing you want to do real early on is you want to get into preferences and set up file paths. My understanding is on Windows machine, it will set up the fonts for you automatically, and probably want to set up you definitely want to set up a folder called Blender, and then within that folder an asset library. You're going to see in a moment, you're going to see why in the next video that I intend to put out. You'll see why. Okay, so double slash means current directory here for these guys. So whatever directory you're in, hopefully you're in C: documents / Blender, or in my case, home Vince Blender. All right, so that's all I got for you. If you got any questions, please leave a comment, and thanks a lot for watching. Bye.